Okay, so here's a quick one. 20 plus 20 divide 2. So did you say 20, 30 or 40? That looks simple, but most people mess it up. Let's see if you are smarter than the average calculator. So at first glance, you might be tempted to go left to right, that is 20 plus 20, 40, and 40 divided by 2 is equals to 20. Is it? But wait, that's not how math works. There's a rule you have to follow and it makes a huge difference. In math, we follow something called BODMAS or PADMAS, which says B for bracket. You have to solve first, then order or exponent, division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So we will solve division first, not addition. So let's solve. 20 plus 20 divide 2. So 20 plus 10. So final answer is 30. So tell me, did you get it right? Be honest. Did you fall for the trap? Comment below your first answer before the explanation. And try this one as a bonus. 40 plus 40 divided by 4 is what? Let's see who gets it. Who gives me the first comment, and I'll give it the shout out its name. So if puzzle like this, test your brain, hit like, smash subscribe, and turn on your notification for more fun facts, math tricks. See you in the next one, and don't forget, follow the rules.